What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be testing out and reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener. This is in the shade Butter 5. If you guys want to know my thoughts and want to see a demo of me using this product, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I do have my skincare on, my primer, and I do have the Fenty Beauty These Drops Blurring Skin Tint in the shade 7 on as well, just because we are doing a review on the new Fenty Beauty Concealer that I really wanted to use this too, since it is Fenty. For primer, I did use my Bobbie Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And then also to blur my pores, I also use my Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. Just in my T-zone. Now this is what the unicorn looks like for the concealer. Her typical Fenty Beauty logo, and this is what the packaging looks like. I did get the shade Butter. Now this is the actual concealer itself. I haven't used it yet. It just looks like I used it because of the bottom right here. I think because of the sun and the pressure when I got here, it just kind of opened up a little bit. I don't know if you guys have had that problem before, but it definitely happened to me. So this product does retail for $25, and there are, I want to say 16 shades available. It is an under eye brightener that hydrates, brightens, and conceals with sheer to buildable coverage, delivering a no makeup effect and long wear formula. The coverage is light, finish natural. It's also free of parabens, phthalates, and it's also vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. In the how to use section, it says apply small amount and tap to blend. Buildable and easy to layer with your skincare. It can also layer with the Pro Filtered Concealer, which is sold separately. It works well with fingers, brush, or sponge. So I can't wait to use this. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I did zoom you in so we can see how this product performs. I'll do a light swatch on the back of my hand. There you go. That's in the shade Butter. Ooh, hopefully this shade looks good on me. It's a true yellow tone. Butter says to be a soft yellow to bright and light medium to medium skin tones. And this shade's actually out of stock right now. So I'm gonna get a little bit on my finger. And I'm just gonna dab it right here. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit more and do the other side. I am gonna slightly blend this with my finger. This is said to be like more of a serum-y concealer, which I do feel it to be. Very serum-y, but it doesn't feel bad. It actually feels really lightweight on the skin. I am gonna go ahead and take my Morphe M173 brush. And I'm just gonna blend the rest of this into my skin. Wow, this actually looks really nice. I am blending up my chin and do my forehead next. I am pushing this product into my skin. This is actually blending out so effortlessly. It isn't super duper full coverage, but it is covering up a good amount. We'll see how it builds up. And it is giving me that brightening effect, which I really, really like. So with my same brush, I'm gonna grab a little bit more from the very tip of the concealer, and I'm just gonna add a little bit right here, because this is where I have the most darkness. And I didn't want to use my color corrector, I want to see this product perform by itself. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how beautiful that looks on the skin. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit more. That looks so nice. I do have a little bit of a dry patch right here, but it's not emphasizing it. I just love how this looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys back out. Now to set down that concealer, I am gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder. Of course, what's new? I love this stuff and I can't stop using it. And I'm using that on my Sigma Tapered Highlighter brush. Let's see how it reacts to my favorite powder. And if you guys are new here, just to let you know, I am an oily skin girl. So if you guys are wanting to buy this product and want to see how it performs, skin similar to me, then this is the perfect review for you. Alright, so this is my face all set. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more. And it looks so freaking good. If you want more coverage, you definitely have to build up this product, especially if you have dark circles like me. But you also can use a color corrector. I just didn't use it for the purpose of this video. I wanted to see it by itself and how it performs, but this looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll pop back on to show you how everything looks all together. Alright you guys, so this is what the concealer looks like with everything on my face. I honestly really enjoy this concealer. It looks so pretty under my eyes and is not emphasizing my pores or looking really crusty. It looks really nice. I am highly impressed. I'll go ahead and zoom you guys in. So far you guys, this looks just super smooth on my skin and I have zero problems with it. It did brighten up my under eyes and it just looks super smooth. I love it. Overall, for $25, this isn't a bad concealer. I really like the concept. I do wish the packaging was a little different because I did get a little dirty, but that's okay. I'll clean it up later. But other than that, it performed really well, and I'll let you know how it wore throughout the day. I'll leave a little note in the description box below, so if you guys are curious on how it lasted, I will leave that information in the description box, so check that out. And if you guys are curious on what's on my face, I will always leave everything listed in the description box, so feel free to check that out. Also my lip combo if you guys are curious. Also, I did film a video on the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, which I know it's a little late. It's what's on my eyelids right now. That will be in the next video coming up. So if I am wearing the same clothes that I did in this video, it's because I filmed it in the same day. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please feel free to give me a like, comment below, and also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!